Skullcandy app. So Skullcandy app experience. So yeah, you can just tap get to install it. So enhance your listening experience. You can see all the devices. Enhance and customize your listening experience with the Skullcandy app. Control product features and settings. Access user guides. And update product firmware versions as Skullcandy releases updates to some products in the market. So you can see the details in here. And yeah, you can then just open it up. You can connect to Bluetooth, and then you can just tap get started, select your region, turn on notifications, and then you just need to connect your device and just use it with the app. Uh, so uh, so that's basically the idea. So yeah, that's how you get started.